I live my life a quarter mile at a time. Nothing else matters, not the mortgage, not the store, not my team and all their bullshit. For those 10 seconds or less, I'm free.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. As always, coming at you, Rafael from Bullets Garage. Welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all the videos that I'm posting. Today, happy 4th of July week. Hope you're having a great one. We are out here for my 30th birthday, which is July 5th. My wife rented out this beautiful house out here in Chilton, Wisconsin. We are partying up, enjoying life, enjoying being 30. Amazing roads out here, guys. Amazing open roads. So nice to be out here. We had roads like this out in Chicago, but we got a beautiful pond out here. The house is beautiful. Here.
All right, this is the one I ordered.
This is the one. Oh, VIP yacht. Oh, God. 4 horsepower.
So, is this a stick shift or what?
No, this is a single speed.
Okay.
Single speed, 4 horsepower. Independent carburetors.
I want to boost it. Let's boost it up.
All right, here we go. Spooling it up.
Oh man, you feel that?
We are moving at the top speed right now.
Feel that torque though.
Happy birthday, happy 4th, happy everything.